In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add the current date in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is a handy trick if you want to ensure your documents always reflect the correct date each time they're opened or printed. Let's start by discussing how you can have a date field in a PDF that automatically fills with the current date when the document is opened, a feature known as autofill on document open. First, you'll want to create a text field using the Prepare Form tool in Acrobat. This allows you to specify the location of where the date will appear. Once you've positioned your text field, make sure you give it a meaningful name, something like Date Opened, and customize its appearance to your liking by adjusting the font size, font type, and alignment in the Properties section. Now, here comes the exciting part, adding a bit of JavaScript to make it all work. Acrobat Pro allows you to incorporate document-level scripts that perform actions whenever the document is opened. For our purpose, we'll use JavaScript to set the date field to the current date. You'll input the following script. varf this get field date opened, f value is util print dmde new date boom. With this script in place, each time you or anyone else opens the document, it will automatically update the field to display the current date. Once you've entered the script, remember to save your document to ensure these changes take effect. Next, let's tackle another scenario, auto-filling the current date at the time of printing. This is particularly useful if you need the printed document to always reflect the most recent date. Similar to the previous method, start by creating a text field and naming it appropriately, say date opened. For this method, however, we're going to attach a different document level script. Here's the JavaScript you'll need. vrf equals this.get field date opened. f value util.print d mmddui new date. This.print/bui true. With this script, the document updates the date just before it's sent to the printer. It's a clever way to ensure your printed documents are always up to date. However, a word of caution, use this approach thoughtfully because it can potentially lead to infinite loops if not handled properly. So, make sure all other printing settings are adequately arranged before you implement this script. And that's it for today's tutorial. Implementing these options in Adobe Acrobat Pro can save you time and ensure your documents share the most current information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.